So check out this foam wall padding that I found on Amazon. The way that I park in the garage, it makes more sense for me to back in. It's a whole lot easier, but then I have to open my door out to the wall. So got this that I stuck on, and you can see it stops the door from hitting the wall. Now on the pictures themselves, they show putting it horizontally as a long strip, but with the truck doors, you can see there's very close points. Like your first point of contact could be up top there or down on either one of those, depending on how the truck's weighted. So that's why I cut it and I stuck it in this orientation, because I know I'm parking within a short range. So that way, for my front and for my back doors, I have no danger. So I'll always be parking within that range. Now on the flip side, I have also done it on the back of the truck, because in the garage with this bed cover, you have to open it from the front, or sorry, from underneath. So this way I can pop the handle, my bed will rest against this piece, and then I can release my cover. All in all, really easy install. Just gotta make sure you have it level and stick it straight. Once you do stick, if you try to peel it off, you will take your paint with it. So be really careful on your first stick, because it's there to stay. Overall, super happy with it. Have had no issues. I can lean my tailgate against it, and I can open my door not worrying about bumping. So I would recommend this.